Hello, today I'm going to teach you this easy coin disappearing magic trick. This is all the materials that you need. You need a pen, glue, a scissor, glass, and paper. You take your glass, put it on the paper, and take your pen and draw around it. Take your scissors, and then you take the scissors and cut it out. Like this. You take your glass, take the glue, and apply it to the side of the glass. You take your paper and stick it on. Press it down that it doesn't come. Good. Then you take your sheet of paper and you can do this magic trick by placing the glass over the penny. And this is how you do the easy magic trick to impress your family. Please hit the subscribe button.